cleaner than a mug. What are you eating? Yuck. What's up, guys? Leaman Griffin here. Got my little man, Leaman Griffin. Also, we are at my brother's house and we're about to take a little road trip. So let's do it. Buckle up, okay? Little F-150 on some 35 and Raptor wheels. Don't look bad. It's a Ford, so not allowed to say it looks good either. All right, we're on our way. It is 8:55 in the morning. Leaman, how long do you think this drive's gonna be? 4 hours? What makes you think it's gonna, dude, that's a long drive. No, it's gonna be it's gonna be 5 hours. Not 4 hours, 5 hours. We can do it though, right? Ooh, how about some Skittles? Sounds like a plan, doesn't it?
I'll tell you straight.
Liam, you wanna sit in the rocking chair real quick? You wanna sit in the rocking chair real quick? Way too much, probably. What, 800 bucks?
No, $299.
Oh God, that ain't bad at all.
No, that's great. I bet this bigger one's about
I bet
$4.
yeah, I bet it's more.
That's sharp.
Yeah, that's cool.
I see a price tag.
Like it? Cedar, I guess. All right, come on, let's go. It's cold.
It's not cedar.
Oh, it's freezing. Dude, careful. That's what happened last time. He got out of it. Almost broke the window. Oh. All right, you ready, dude? You got your Mike and Ikes? My thing said 2 hours and 45 minutes left. Here, this white one with the teal door. They tore down the hot. Look, there's a garage back there. And yep, wow, that's crazy. This school, Daddy went to school here when he was a kid.
So you just gotta walk.
Bro, that's insane.
It's small, doesn't it?
I know. I feel like it was way bigger.
Might have done some work to it.
We used to play, look, Leaman, you see that stop sign right there? That's where Daddy got hit by a car. I was on that sidewalk riding down the street and I went through the stop sign. A car was going across this way and it ran right into Daddy on his bike.
In the road.
All right. Huh? No, he wasn't with me. It was just me. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Huh? Right here. Look, see the car coming? Daddy was riding and then boom, it hit me right here, just like that. All right, we're here. The glorious Comfort Suites, Madisonville, Kentucky. We got here earlier, but we did a bunch of crap and now we're just wrapping up for the night in the hotel. Hey. He does not like filming, so I'm just gonna film him most of the time. Leaman, what'd you get?
You get all kind of views.
Look at this thing, dude. That's sweet. It's a scar. All right. Whew. Yeah, it does. How's it going, man? All right, Leaman, what's our room number? You remember it?
No.
Oh, I figured you would.
Is it 4 something?
It is a 4 something.
4, yeah.
411.
That's right.
Good job, dude.
He just complains when he hurts.
Upside down. Upside down. Upside down.
Upside
That wasn't
down.
flip it around. Point the comfort ends upside down. There you go. Yep.
That's how I would have normally put it in. like.
Bro, that light is right in our room.
Sure is, isn't it?
This hotel is nothing to write home about, but it has a it has a bedroom in here. How do you turn the light on? Oh, bro, this is that's bright.
Yeah, let me bring that out there so you can all see.
What? The chair?
No, the light.
The table? We bring a table out there.
Yeah, we'll bring the table.
I feel like they'd be upset.
Let's find out real quick about these TVs, because
Does it have a H? I guarantee it's not a smart TV. It's a $10, $5, and then 5 ones. So 10 and 5 and 5 ones. Jay, what's your?
It's cold.
How much?
I need my Dr. Pepper to be cold in the morning.
It's running. Is the freezer up top? What? There's a dial.
Oh, it's frozen solid up here.
Is it? Because they ran the dial down too much. Turn the dial up. Like less cold.
Okay, where's the dial?
I bet it's up top.
It's frozen over. The dial is probably over there.
Oh wow, it is a block of ice. Good thing the room was free. All right, Jay, what do you think you're gonna win on? Is it $20 worth of scratch offs?
Yeah.
10, 5, 5 ones. What do you think you're gonna win on this? Wait, I only see 4 ones. Oh, there it is. Okay. You spent $20. What do you think you're gonna win?
At least 1,000.
At least 1,000.
I need to open this one.
All right, hold on. Let's time out. We're gonna open up the scar.
Realistically, it's a free ticket.
You think you're gonna get a free ticket?
This one and this one after that.
Leaman, don't do this with a knife. This knife is dull, dude. What the heck?
What does dull mean?
And not sharp. We scratched off all these and won nothing. Scratch off the $10 and won nothing. And the $5 we won $5, and the $1 we won $1. So we spent 20, won $6. Leaman, that's how the lottery works.
Okay. Do mine.
Look at the sunrise, Leaman. See how it's all pink coming up over the clouds? Pretty cool, huh? Look way over there. See it? It's all pink and orange. Cool. It's the prettiest thing in this town. Let's do it. Go. It's like 7:30 in the morning, 7:24. Just left the hotel, grabbed some supplies, and now if this car would get out of the way, we could go. Come on, come on, you can do it. Well, you can't do it, so I'm just gonna go around you. All right. Anyway, so now we're headed to Providence, which is like the next little town over, and we're gonna be here till about lunch, and we're headed back to Birmingham. So before we get out of town here, we're gonna stop by. Oh, it's bad. Oh, it wasn't that bad. Before we get out of town, we're on a back road here. We're gonna stop by and see my grandparents. They've got a farm out here with some land.
And then we'll go and stop at a gas station.
Yeah, and then we'll stop at a gas station so you can get a snack. But check this out. This is backwoods Kentucky right here. Just middle of nowhere, old farm road. I drove on this road when I was 6 years old, Leaman. Now I'll show you. Up here around this corner is where I ran my dad's truck off in a ditch. So the road runs along this ditch right here. Right there. It ain't much, but... So right here, I turned when he said turn. Oh no, it was up here. He said turn. I started turning. I turned too sharp, and I turned right down there where that culvert is. Just truck right down there in that ditch. That's where I did it. Yeah. I don't remember what happened. I just remember driving into it. This is a good piece of property. Check this out. This is where I grew up. This is my grandparents' property in Kentucky. Look at this piece of land here. Everything you can see they owned. I think he sold some of the stuff. These are cars, old tractors, so cool. Pretty cool stuff. Tell you, that's a good looking truck right here. I don't know whose that is. You cold? You're not cold? Alright, I'm gonna roll the window up anyway. Alright, dude, we get off these back roads and get on the interstate and we'll get home. Y'all gonna try to shoot each other with them?
Yeah, I got my rocket launcher.
Look at that. Let me see it. Show it to me.
Hey, Leaman!
Nice.
Leaman! When you get inside, I want to show you my new toy. No! Not right now. Not right now. I'm going to shoot you with this. This shoots harder than all mega bullets.
Alright guys, it's Monday morning. Back home. Just woke up. And now I gotta take my wrap off.